Assalamualaikum and hi, we are from group 4.4. My name is Naziha binti Zainuddin and my group member is Nitno Faika binti Tamim and also Roshada binti Ismail. So today we're gonna talk about earth leakage relay test. ELR is earth leakage relay is a device used to detect earth leakage in a circuit and open a circuit breaker when fault current exceeds the value that we set. So what is the current and time setting in ELR? In ELR, the current setting is the value of the current we set for the ELR to trip when fault current exceeds the value of the current that we set, while time setting is the adjustment of traveling distance time of ELR after fault current happens. Then, for connection of ELR to ZCT, busbar and MCCB. So we can say it is our ELR, our ZCT, our busbar and our MCCB. So from the ELR, we need to connect to the ZCT. So from pin number 1 and pin number 2 of ELR will be connect with the ZCT, while for pin number 7 of ELR we will connect it with the natural phase, and for the pin number 9 we will connect it with the red phase, while for pin number 12 we will also connect it with red phase to trigger the switch, while for pin number 10 we will connect it with the MCCB for trip the MCCB when the fault current exceeds the preset value. So the function of ZCT, busbar and MCCB in the circuit. ZCT is the phase current transformer. Is the function of it is almost same as ELR, which is percent any leakage current, but the ZCT is more sensitivity in detect earth leakage. Then for the bus bar, we use it because it used to protect the MCCB, ELR and also ZCT from getting any damage or broken. Next, the function of MCCB that why we use in the circuit is to treat the circuit or the system if the ELR detect any earth leakage that happened in the circuit.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Roshada binti Ismail. My metric number is CE 190182. So basically, I am the second presenter. Okay, in my turns, I will explain 3 questions. Question number 4, question number 5 and question number 6. Okay, first we look at question number 4. I will explain the function of each pin or point in ELR. Okay, so basically, pin number 1 and pin number 2 function as sensor. So pin number 1, a positive terminal that connects zero current transformer that function as sensor, while pin number 2, a negative terminal that connects zero current transformers that functions as sensor. Okay, so pin number 7 and pin number 9 is a terminal that for auxiliary power supply to operate the relay. Pin number 7 negative terminal and pin number 9 positive terminal. So pin number 10 are terminal for normally open that always off in normal operation conditions and on when the current exceeds the set value in ELR. By the last pin, pin number 12, terminate for common COM that act as a bridge between the power source and MCCB. Okay, question number 5, I will explain the function of secondary injection test set. So here there's a 3 function of secondary injection test set. Function number 1 is to verify that the correct operation of the protection shim from the relay input terminals onwards is functioning correctly with the settings specified. Function number 2, to verify the correct operation of the protection system regarding everything connected to the secondary of the transformers. Okay, the last function of secondary injection test is to prove the correct operation of the protection scheme downstream from the input to the ELR. The last question for me, question number 6, connection of secondary injection test set to the ELR. So, we must refer to figure 8. Where is pin number 1 and 12 of ELR in this figure? So this is figure number 8. Here pin number 1 and 2. Okay, so here pin number 7 and pin number 9 connect to the power supply, and this is pin number 10, and this is pin number 12. Alright, so thank you for listening. I will pass to the last presenter. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Amin. My matrix number is CA190116. So I will give an explanation for number 7 and 8. Okay, so for number 7, I will explain about the method on how to perform the ELR test using the secondary injection test for checking the minimum current setting. So first, based on the figure 9, for the current for the circuit connection, so the primary circuit need to be de-energized first before conducting the test, as a single phase primary current can be injected into one of the primary conductors so that the secondary current on the ZCT can be reduced. And to check the minimum current setting, the ELR is then being supplied with a signal 240 volt of source, and after that the secondary current injection test set will be set up to 0 until 10 ampere and 0 until 240 volt of AC operation, and later the output current of the test set will be increased gradually until the ELR elements is picked up. Last but not least, the secondary current injection test set is switched off, and that is how to perform the secondary injection test for checking the minimum current setting. And next for number 8, which is the method to perform the ELR test using the secondary injection test for checking the operating time. So based on the figure 10, which is a circuit connection for ELR, to perform the ELR test using the secondary injection to check the operating time, the secondary current injection test set will be switched on, and its output current will be set to 2.0 times with I/O and 3.0 times with I/O for tripping current setting. After that, the set is switched off with the control knob remaining in the set position. The next part to perform the ELR test is to switch the secondary current injection set to the test position in order to inject the set current and to start the timer at the same time. And lastly, all the wiring between the test set and relay is disconnected, and to make sure that all of the connections to the relay are returned to normal operational conditions. And then the test set is then being switched back. That's all for me. Thank you.